Good morning guys. Malamig na rito sa amin guys. What's that? 8 lang ang weather lang na amin today. Is this a flower?
Yes. It
Is
is.
8 lang today kaya malamig na guys. Kunin ko tong mga hinog, sayang din. Ayan oh. Itong kamatis ko, oh, tignan mo. Ayan oh, na ano na, malamig. Nasira na tuloy. Kailangan ano. Kinadali, asan ang lalagyanan natin?
No. What's this?
Yeah.
Can you hold my flowers again?
Kunin na natin to kasi ano, malamig na sila. So, sayang naman pag ma-frozen. Okay, ano, frost. Ayan oh, nag-umpisa ng ano, malamig. Okay. Yeah. Oh. May sili kami. Yeah. Wala nang. Huh? Yo, what? Ito, sayang. Meron pa to ang liliit. Hindi na lumaki ito. Ano to? Inapakan nila. Oh, naapakan nung nag-ulinis. Kunin na kaya natin to. Sayang. Oh, pwede na yan. Oh. Here. Okay.
Is that bell pepper?
Yeah, bell pepper. Okay, let's go. The tomatoes naman.
Okay.
Tomatoes. Kunin na natin. Okay. Oh. Yan. Kunin na natin ang tomatoes kasi pahinugin na lang natin sa ano.
There was a bee.
Is there?
Yes.
Oh. Ating tagalagay. Ha?
Tomatoes.
Okay. Oh. Kunin na natin ang tomatoes.
Bell pepper and tomatoes.
Yan. Ay, nahawakan ito.
Picky. Why are they going by the shelf now?
Kunin na natin kasi. Ayan, no. Pahinugin na lang natin. What? Okay. I-stand natin dito yung camera.
Stick on a flower.
Okay, okay.
A baby tomato. A baby tomato. Sisters, brothers, and AJ. The baby is a lovely baby. No. Wait a second. The red tomato is not family. Baby tomato, mom tomato, sisters and brother tomato. The dad tomato and all of this. tomato. I'll be. Is it gonna work? No. Ah! Okay, here's what it looks like. 3 tomatoes. Another one tomato. Oh, those. Okay. See? All of the tomatoes are falling. Why? Molly? Ta-da! Mama, give me it! Wait, I need to show them some. Sorry, tomatoes. Yuck! Ah! I broke this tomato. Now it's covered in a tomato. No, let me have one. To make them warm in my pockets. Because remember they are cold? They are cold and mine. They can leave in my pockets. They can't leave in my pocket. I need something.
Sandra. Can I help you?
She left this one like that. She left this one. There's only one left. Look, Mama. And there's two. No, you can't. Wait a second. Okay, there are 4 tomatoes in here.
Kumuha namin hati hilaw.
No, you put them in juice. I want to put them in my pocket.
Ha?
So they can be nice and warm. Actually, also cool. She's tomatoes are broken.
Oh, sige na.
Here we go. The first blanket.
Okay.
I'll bring my tomatoes in my jacket.
Okay, put it na.
No!
Ayan na guys. Oh, tapos
I don't want
na.
to put it in there. I don't want to put it in there.
Ayan, lagay ko rito guys. Ito na yung nakuha ko. Ayan. Kinuha ko na guys kasi malamig na. Ilagay lang dito sa table. Hayaan lang ng ganyan. Para may nahinog naman. Hinog na nakuha pa. Oh. Ayan, malamig na kasi. Sayang. Ayan. Tanggalin natin itong mga hinog. Ayan yung mga nalagay. Tanggalin yung mga hinog. Ah. Ayan. Ito yung mga nakuha namin na ano. Ilagay lang na ganyan guys. May hinog lang yan dyan. Kung kailan niya gusto mahinog. Ayan. Pati ano. Tinanggal lang yung ano. Ayan. Kasi sayang kasi. Pati maliliit, pinitas na ang masyado. Ayan. Okay. Ano na kasi, malamig na kasi. Nag-start ng lamig dito sa amin. Dito lang muna para mahihinog lang yan. Okay, dito. Ayan. Kasi sayang din siya. Ito ilagay natin sa ano. Ayan.
And look what I got.
Ilagay naman yan dyan.
Tomatoes.
Ayan guys, ang aming napitas ng aking
Mama, you forgot something.
Yeah, put it there.
This one. How about this one?
Where? Oh.
Look what I got in my pockets.
Ayan guys. Ayan ang nakuha namin.
Put this in. Put this.
Ayan guys. Ito na yung napitas namin ng aking bunso. Kinuha na lang namin guys kahit ano, hilaw. Hindi pa hinog kasi malamig na dito sa amin. Sayang. Ilagay lang dito sa table. Mahihinog lang na ganyan. Ayan. Oh, may nakuha pa ka na kahit ano. Sayang kasi pag ma-frozen outside. Kaya, ayan o, nag-i-start na. Malamig sa umaga na. Ngayon, 8 lang. Dungis ng kuko sa pagkuha kanina. Ito, mayroong ano na rin. Ayan. Mayroon pang natira yung mga maliliit na talaga. Ito, pinili lang namin yung medyo malalaki. Ayan. Lalagay lang dito sa table. Ayan, may hinog lang yan dyan. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Have a great day.